Hi, it's Elaine. Let's take a look at conditional formatting, a tool within Google Sheets that helps you gain insight into your data with just a glance by allowing you to highlight cells that meet certain rules that you set. This sheet has a list of students and their grades for 5 assessments. For a visual way that I can quickly see how my students are doing, first I choose the range of cells where I want my rule to apply. Then I go to Format, Conditional Formatting. The box that pops up on the right is where I set my conditions. I can use single color or color scale. We're going to stick with single color since we're new at this, but later you'll want to check out everything this tool can do. The format rules is the area where I decide the trigger event that will cause my rule to manifest or appear in my sheet. I would like to know when my students are doing well, so I'm going to choose greater than or equal to with a value or grade of 93. The formatting style is how the rule will manifest by changing the cell in the way I select. Keeping this default green color, you can see that my conditions are already appearing in the data set where there are grades that are 93 or above. But I'd also like to know when my students aren't doing well, so I'm going to add another rule. This time I'm going to choose less than or equal to with a value of 70 and this light red color. So now my two conditions are set and I can instantly see how my students are doing. And because it's Google, it updates in real time. If Scooby-Doo redoes his video and makes a grade of 95 this time, his cell changes color. And when I add grades, these conditions are applied. So it's a great tool for teachers, but also for students as they track their own progress using sheets. Conditional formatting, try it.